These are the Adidas Ultra 4D running lifestyle shoes, and in my opinion, these are some of the best looking lifestyle sneaker or running shoes ever made. Let's have a look at them. So here's the packaging, and it's pretty unique in that it's not just a box that pops up straight. Adidas have put some thought into making an unique design. So here is me just trying to figure it out. So yeah, it has got that Ultra Adidas 4D inscription on it, but the box itself has been damaged in shipping. uh, Nothing new in that. This is what happens in when you buy things from the internet in India. So yes, so the box slides out. There is a box inside and it slides out, which lends it a bit of a uniqueness to the whole unboxing experience. But then again, it's a pair of shoes. You unbox it once and that's about it. So here are the shoes. I went for the black with the blue highlights and the blue heel guard. And I already have another pair, so this is my second pair, and this time I went one size down because these are probably the original colors of the Ultra 4D when it first came out, if my memory serves me right. And they look extremely good. They still look extremely good despite all the colors, all the variations that has come out after it. These originals, the one with black and gray accents, are still some of the best looking shoes that I have ever seen. So here is it from the side, from the front. Now the 4D sole, what it basically means is that it has been 3D printed. Now I don't know if actually 3D printing a midsole does have any utility in the long run. Adidas says that it gives you a bounce effect, it gives you a energy return when you are running or when you are walking fast. But it is nothing as good as the light strike foam that they use in their proper professional running shoes like the Adidas Adios Pro or the Takumi Sen shoes. But still, these are more of a lifestyle device and they look the part. This will attract attention wherever you go, that's almost guaranteed. And the heel counter gives it a nice contrast at the back. Plus the guards for the laces that houses the laces, they they are an entirely separate entity from the upper, and this gives it an extremely unique look. My only grouse that I have with this pair of shoes is the tongue, because the tongue is an integrated part of the upper. It is not a separate tongue at all. So putting your feet in is extremely tough, no matter what shoe size you are. But once you have your feet in, these are some of the most comfortable shoes that and most unique looking shoes that money can buy, in my opinion. Here is me wearing them with white and black white and black socks, so that you can have an idea of what type of socks you should pair it with. Now about the 3D printed sole, they certainly do flex. They certainly have an unique spongy feeling, a bounciness to it that I guess just the insole itself can't replicate. So that's a good thing. But then again, these are not exactly professional grade running shoes. Adidas have other offerings for that. The ends of the shoelaces are also done up in gold for this variant, and they add a nice contrasting look to the shoe. So like I said, this is my second pair of shoes, and I generally believe that the Adidas Ultra 4D line or the Ultra Boost line are some of the best looking shoes on the market. So I just can't get enough of them. So this is my latest edition, and I went one size down because I like a feeling of slickness in my shoes. I like them to appear small because I am a small guy myself. So I don't want my pair of shoes to overshadow everything else that I might be wearing. Here is a look at the inside, the stitching, the the way the whole shoe bonds together, the sole, everything feels solidly built, and it feels like it is built to last a lifetime, and it can take some solid reviews. I like the contrasting color of the gray upper with the black itself. Yeah, when viewed from a distance, it actually appears better. It actually looks better when viewed from a distance than from close up. I like the laces too. I like the housing for the laces. Now there's a small growth is that the glue that binds the heel counter to the rest of the upper is not exactly good. But other than that, I really love this pair of shoes, and I can't wait to wear it. Thanks for watching.